So one thing I've heard a lot about recently is the Hell Valley Sky Trees located in Shiverburn Galaxy here. I want to clear something up real quick. So, I noticed on Swanky Box's video that when I re-added the collision, people wanted to see if we can add collision here. But the thing is, this whole thing is actually a skybox. The whole thing here. Let me, right here, if I select this, yeah, it's all one object. So one thing that I thought was, hey, I could look here. There we go. You can see that, well, this is what they look like. Very exciting. And the whole skybox here is called Beyond Hell Valley Sky. So, give me just a minute, and I'll be back. So, in Blender, this is what these Hell Valley Sky Trees look like. At least that's what they're called. You can see that they're pretty much just... I actually don't know how to work Blender that well. They're just here, that's what they look like. They're the same model placed twice. And if I were to add collision to everything, all of this texture here would end up having collision. I move into Photoshop, we can get a clear look at what they look like. Rather simple. This name here is not what they're actually named. I had to name the file something else. If I go into this 3D viewer, which you can't actually see anything in, you'll see all the textures here. We have the wall, the sky, the universe, the mist, the ground, but the tree, which is this. That's where people get the name Hell Valley Sky Tree from. That's because that's what the texture is. That's pretty much it. One more thing. A lot of the skyboxes in Mario Galaxy have Beyond in front of them. Right here. Oh, let's find something that actually does. Yeah, Beyond Galaxy Sky here. I know that there's also Beyond Summer Sky. That's not the one I want. Like right here, we got Beyond Summer Sky. So yeah, that's where the name Beyond comes from. It's pretty much just a name for a bunch of the different skyboxes in the game. And like this one right here, this is what I was looking for. We got Beyond Hell Valley Sky. So it's really just Hell Valley Sky, which makes sense for it being the lava level here. Which, yeah, it's very warm, so it must be hell. And you're pretty. This area, I don't know why it's called Valley. And then there's Sky for a skybox. I don't know why these are called trees though. I believe that there are some videos on like culture or like Japanese culture that describes what these are. But one interesting thing is I don't think they can see this fourth guy here in game, so that's interesting. So yeah, this was really just a video.